Hello everyone, this video will be me showing you the new $5 Spicy Bites from Royal Farms. It comes with western fries and a roll. And then I also have my slushy, Cokes. But it comes with the Spicy Bites. The western fries. And the roll. It looks like it's each place be a little bit different because it depends on the person making it, but it looks like it's about maybe 12 spicy bites maybe, and then about, let's see, I'll show you. The western fry. The western fry is pretty good tonight. And here goes one of them new spicy bites. They're only there for a limited time. I think they said they only there till the August 28th, at least in my area. Definitely spicy, which is good because I like spicy food. They're great. I like it. And you actually can really taste the spice too. Good. Hiccups. For some reason I always get hiccups when I eat hot and spicy foods. But I like them still though. I was wondering, do you guys like spicy food or no? And if you do like spicy food, what do you like it on the most? Western fry? Like I said, these are there for a limited time and a new item they have. Actually surprised. I actually pretty like them because usually when they say spicy, for me it's not really spicy, but these actually, you can actually taste the spice on them. They're all pretty good. And again, they're $5. And again, in my also these slushies are $1 also. And I drink these like almost every day now. Western Fry again. They actually give you a pretty good amount. But I gotta really say I'm very surprised. I thought they wasn't gonna be that great, but I actually like them. Cause like I said earlier, usually when they say spicy, not really spicy, but they're actually pretty good. And like I said, for $5, you actually get more than I thought you was gonna get. I thought you was gonna get maybe eight of them, or maybe 10, but it looks like it's like pretty good amounts, like maybe 15 of them. And then the fries, Western fries. I think I might get this again sometime before they get rid of it, because like I said, spicy I really like, and I was surprised. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me eat the new spicy bites from Royal Farms. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time with a food review, enjoy your day and see you next time.